Okay, I have a temporary setup here, and now as you can see, I have a helper kitty. I have a booster pack connected to the red and black. These are the wires coming off of the back of the inverter. These are the ones that actually came with it. No touching it. Also, I did make a mistake. The little tiny wire that came with this is actually for the ground lead, not a thermistor. Small mistake, not a big deal. But I still have not figured out where the fuses go. So let's put power to this and see what happens. I believe that that's in the on position. Turn that off and jumper pack on. Okay, we're showing power on here. As you can see, the display cover is missing. It's actually right here. It is a peel and stick, since this actually has two holes in it. So this can actually be mounted into a wall. Say if this wasn't mounted in an RV or something like that, you'd have this mounted in your wall. You can turn it on and off. So be it. So this has power. Let's just see if this will turn it on. Yeah, there we go. This is still showing in the off position, so I don't know if we have power there or not. Let's just stick this over here. So it's showing we don't have full power available, but we do have power available. I'll have to make sure I don't lose that right there. My setup in the shed at the moment, I will be moving it. It's not permanent, so I don't really want to lose that, and I don't really want to install that permanently, or just put a piece of tape on top and bottom. And when I get my permanent setup, I'll peel and stick that. Let's click this on. Okay, so that does nothing. Let's turn the footstool. I don't have too much wire. So there's what we're looking at right there. This is obviously the display on the actual inverter itself. There's no touch screen on here, so there's no real controls. But we do have a temperature right there. I don't think this, yeah, there's no other physical controls. So let's grab something to plug into it. I don't know what offhand. Let's just see. Let's turn it off. Yep. Okay, so that will turn it back off. What about this? But that will turn it on as well. But the display here is dead. Let's see what happens when you press this. Okay, that just turns that on and off. Okay, so you can control it separately. So you can control it through here, like this. Or you control it through here. And this here will actually turn it back on. So you can either have it always on with this here, or use this to control it, or use this here to control it. Not bad, really. So you don't have to use this if you don't want to, but if you want to hook up the remote, you can. This is 30 feet long, 30 meters. So you got plenty of length with that, which is good. I would imagine this actually does have protections in it if you were to hook up the wrong cable. But it is basically just an Ethernet cable. So let me find something to connect and we'll see what happens. Most likely I will ground this when I do hook it up temporarily. Where this is going temporarily in here, at least, there is a plug right near it where I could ground it through. I don't think the ground to the house will be interrupted. Shouldn't be. And I still have a helper kitty. Don't want him to hit that. So, anyways, shut this off, and I will try and find something to plug into it. Okay, I have my pole fan. I don't really feel like unplugging my entertainment center at the moment. Also, I don't have quite enough battery power to run that at the moment either. But we should be okay with the fan. I have remote control, fans plugged in, and let's first turn on the inverter. And let's turn the fan on. And let's put the fan on high. Obviously, that's not much of a load. Is only using 3%, so the unit itself uses 1%. .3 volts. Yeah. And 19 Celsius. So. And according to that, we're down to 2 bars on the battery, and the cat is watching the fan. He is very nosy. So, actually, he's not even a cat yet. He's just a kitten. So anyways, it works like I knew it would. No issues there. Really, you don't need these grounded, but it is a good idea to have them grounded, especially if they're in a moisture environment. Leave that alone. But there we go. So I can touch this all I want. Just don't obviously put anything metal between those terminals there. When I do have it connected up to the batteries, I will screw these terminals here, or to the wires, and then to the batteries. Cat move. But there we go. Pure sine wave inverter. I will put the name of it and model number in the title and description as well. Again, not sponsored content, but if the manufacturer wants to reach out to me and sponsor me, I'd be happy with it. So there we go. Let's shut her down. Nope, now. Oh, I thought we were on only 1 bar on there. I was going to say that jumper pack's not that low, so really it shouldn't wear it down too much. But yeah, there we go. So I'm going to shut her off, and we're done for now. So I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.